Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing a user account from an Xbox One console. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Launch your Xbox. Click the Guide button on your controller to bring up the Guide menu. Scroll to the right until you get to System and then open Settings. From Settings, click on Account and then open Remove Accounts. Select the account you wish to remove from this Xbox and then select Remove. That user account has now been removed, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xbox tips and tricks.